Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher. I'm Pawan. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can place middle post at blogger.com. So let's get start our video and see how we can do this. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay friends, first of all you need to log into the blogger.com. Then you need to open the blogger post that you want to apply middle post ads. In my case, I am going to apply middle post ads into this post that I have showed in the starting of this video. Then you need to write something on middle of this post. So I am going to use this 4 letters. When it comes to here, our first step is completed. Then we need to move on to the second step. As the next step, we need to click here and click on this HTML view option. Now you need to go to your AdSense account and you need to click on this ads option. Then you need to click on this in article ads. Then you need to enter a name for your ad unit. Now click on save and get code option. Now copy this code into your clipboard. You can copy it from clicking on it. Now came into here once again. Now click on this replace option. Now search the keyword that you have typed on your post. Then you need to paste the copied command here and then press enter. Now click on all. Now you can see our all Q letters are gone. Now click on save. Now click on this IO finish option. Let's see whether it's our configs are applied to my web page or not from refreshing this page. So you can see here our middle post ads are applied successful to this web page. So with this I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.